वेलकम टू माय चैनल फ्रेंड्स। आज फिर से एक नए टॉपिक को देखने वाले हैं, सिटी लाइफ। इसमें बोले गए सारे के सारे सेंटेंस सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस से हैं और इजी सेंटेंसेस का कलेक्शन है। जब सेंटेंस खत्म हो जाए, टॉपिक खत्म हो जाए, तो आप इस पर दोबारा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे और बोल सकेंगे। तो स्टार्ट करें। गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, आई एम XYZ. Today I am going to speak about city life. Life of the city is very modern life. There are most luxurious and comfortable amenities and people of the city enjoy much by these facilities. The city is the most glamorous place which attracts the people from the rural areas. In a city, many of the people live with very comfort. In the city, people enjoy social, economical and commercial facilities. There are different advantages of city life. The traveling facility in town is magnificent and comfortable. There are proper metalled roads in the city for moving the vehicles. There is no any problems of running as compared to the village. There is bus and train facility to travel which is also cheap as compared to another vehicle. The electricity is connected in every house of the city. There are also pipelines connected to every house. It supplies clean water service which is very necessary for the people. The city facilitates the drainage system for wastewater. This service also provides the cleanliness on the roads. It also saves people from the diseases. There are the much cleanliness and sanitation in the city life. It is the high authority to look sanitation which is very important to clean the city. Medical service of city life is excellent. There are many big hospitals for the patients. There is emergency facility in hospital. There are also the qualified doctors for attending the patient. The biggest focus of city life is education facility. Here students can read properly in safe environment. There are large institutions and colleges for the students. In city, people can avail library service. It is normal that every place has the commercial center for the business person. Where a large number of people develop their skill by working in the large industrial areas. There are also some problems of city life. The city is extremely crowded. It is a very big problem in the city. The rural people are migrating from rural to urban place. Many vehicles are causing a lot of traffic problems. It is the huge disadvantage of city life. pollution level in the city is very high as compared to rural area. There is the maximum pollution in a surrounded of the city. Some of the people are not aware for keep the sanitation in the city. Sanitation and cleanliness are most important factor to improve the health of individuals. Because of the massive waste, the mosquitoes are spreading in many areas. It is the main reason to spread diseases by the mosquitoes. Many of the people may die of dengue, malaria, kala-azar and diarrhea. These days village is growing very fast by the scheme of government. But the facility and opportunity people are getting in city is matchless, so it will keep attracting people. Thank you. Students, this is your turn. Now you have to practice on it. आपको 1 से 2 बार कम से कम बोलना है जब तक आप सेटिस्फाई ना हो जाएं, जब तक आपको कमी लगता रहे अपने आप में, बोलते रहें, हर बार कोशिश करें और जब आप में सेटिस्फैक्शन का एहसास हो जाए तब हो गया, आपने सीख लिया। थैंक यू।